honest roasted in front of me. Like a book I can't put down, spin me around. And if you knew all of the answers, I'd take a chance on you. If we wrote down all of the questions, I'd learn a lesson from you. But if only you knew, if only you knew, I thought the spell would fade. All the mistakes we've made, all of the things I've seen, the grass isn't always green. The sun never sets on us, so don't put your bets on us. 'Cause I've seen a crack or two, big enough to fall through. Like a song I can't forget, when I haven't even heard it yet. If you knew all of the answers, I'd take a chance on you. If we wrote down all of the questions, I'd learn a lesson from you. If only you knew, if only you knew. When we get to the tiebreaker, do we do any not make a bad decision even though we try? Don't even know the reason why. But if you knew all of the answers, I'd take a chance on you. If we wrote down all of the questions, I'd learn a lesson from you. If only